Silt or sludge? No problem. ACE2 geotextile containers offer a fast, simple, and affordable way to filter out contaminants from municipal or industrial wastewater. Here's how it works. Water is pumped into the tube, clean water drains out, and the waste stays trapped inside. Engineers have customized the tubes from to manage specific needs. This is not like special additives and chemicals used to make particles clump together. This is your These tube stands up to UV rays, acids, even harsh chemicals. It's even tough enough for minor waste. When waste gets messy, these tube makes cleanup easy, effective, and efficient, all in one smart solution. We're in Alabama, where major road upgrades are underway, important not just for local towns, but for the entire state. One big job is expanding US Highway 43 by 2 lanes. When it came time to widen a bridge, the contractor chose Mevalite, and it turned out to be a smart choice. This aluminum formwork is both lightweight and tough. A single 1.8 by 0.9 meter panel weighs just 39 kilograms, but can handle over 6.5 tons per square meter, plenty strong for the new bridge section. Now it's all about steady progress. With the right materials already on site, the construction team can focus on getting the job done right. Chinese builders have amazed the world again, this time by putting up a 10-story residential building in just 28 hours and 45 minutes. The secret behind this incredible speed? B-core panels. These high-tech panels are made of 2 steel sheets connected by a grid of welded tubes, with insulation filling the gaps. Each standard panel measures 12 by 2 meters and is just 15 centimeters thick. They're 10 times lighter than concrete and can be used for both walls and floors. Perfect for modular construction, B-core panels let builders snap together prefabricated blocks like giant Lego pieces. Fast, strong, and efficient, they're helping reshape how modern buildings are made, one panel at a time. Meet the BIM printer, a smart robot designed to speed up construction work. It moves around the site and prints layout markings directly onto the floor using data from CAD drawings. You can let it run on its own or control it manually using a PC, tablet, or smartphone. For extra accuracy, it works with top brands like Leica, Topcon, and Trimble. Planning its tasks is easy thanks to special software. The best part? BIM printer doesn't get tired, doesn't take breaks, and works right through lunch. It's a glimpse into the future of construction, where robots and smart tech make projects faster, more accurate, and more efficient. Say goodbye to tape measures and chalk lines, and hello to next-level job site automation. No matter if it's a brand new building or an older home, poor acoustics are a common issue, and low-frequency noise is often the hidden culprit. It may not seem loud, but your body feels it. Studies show these sounds can raise blood pressure, cause stress and fatigue, and even upset digestion. That's where Cleaneo-acoustic gypsum boards come in. Designed for walls and ceilings, they absorb unwanted noise and reduce echo, making any space feel calmer and more comfortable. But they do more than improve sound. Thanks to built-in zeolite, the panels also clean the air by trapping and neutralizing pollutants, like tobacco smoke. And the effect is fast. You can notice a difference in just 2 hours. Clean air and better sound, all in one smart panel. Tired of your driveway or parking area turning into a muddy mess? Meet CoreDrive 535 HD, a smart, durable grid system that keeps gravel in place and your surface solid. Just 3 centimeters thick, it uses up to 60% less gravel than other grids, helping you save on materials and cost. But don't let the slim design fool you. It's incredibly strong, supporting up to 450 tons per square meter. The result? A firm, stable surface that's easy to walk, drive, or even roll a wheelchair over. No more slipping, sinking, or shifting gravel. CoreDrive makes outdoor surfaces cleaner, safer, and longer lasting.
that helps with fire safety because we have a complete continuous barrier in the cavity, and we also have obviously a masonry support system integrated with that. So we're solving two problems with one product. The cavities, more feature to the brickwork or the cladding. I think there's massive potential for this. Everybody wants that curb appeal on a building. They want it to be different, be it feature brickwork, stone banding, natural stone banding, all of which to...
If better for health and safety, less.
If we were doing a traditional building with a stone, they'd have to put the cavity barriers in. So overall, it's moving the problems from site into the factory. We need to put the building process into factories so that it can be delivered into site in mod.
This is our second scheme we're using it on. And
FRP, fiber reinforced polymer bridges, are already in use, and for good reason. They're lightweight, strong, and built to last. One of the top companies in this space is Fiberline, which has replaced traditional materials like steel and concrete with fiberglass. As a result, their bridges are about 60% lighter than steel and 80% lighter than concrete. They're also incredibly durable, able to handle extreme temperatures from 40 degrees to 80 degrees Celsius, resist seawater, and never rust or corrode. Plus, they need very little maintenance. Even better, when the bridge eventually reaches the end of its life, it doesn't go to waste. It can be fully recycled. Fiberline is proving that green, low-maintenance infrastructure is not just possible. It's already here. In Germany, Harman believes a building truly comes to life when its facade is added, turning it from a plain structure into a striking symbol. Their custom curtain wall systems do more than protect against wind and rain. They bring an architect's vision to life with both beauty and function. Every project is carefully planned for speed, precision, and visual impact. Whether it's covering a 53-story tower with 38,000 square meters of panels or completing a 19-story hospital alongside a 16-story clinic, Harman delivers stunning results. Their facades aren't just about performance. They're designed to make people stop, look up, and admire. For Harman, cladding is more than a job. It's creating art that shapes city skylines. Ten giant tunnel boring machines, each as long as 1.5 football fields, are steadily carving their way through the British ground. They're part of one of the UK's most ambitious projects, building high-speed rail tunnels to connect London with the West Midlands. This is also one of the largest infrastructure efforts in Europe. In just the first phase, the tunnels will cover around 103 kilometers. To avoid disturbing towns and cities above, they're being dug 90 meters underground and are about 9 meters wide. With around 30,000 skilled professionals working on it, this massive construction project is shaping the future of travel, making it faster, smoother, and more sustainable. It's not just digging tunnels, it's building a better connection for tomorrow.